take a look at the pound dollar for the upcoming November the 19th session. We had a nice little run here from our session yesterday. As you can see, those were the two price levels we were looking at. A little bit different than the euro dollar. We did get it closed below here. Again, it was pretty good. You were able to keep a stop above this range, and price did fall about 70 pips or so, 65, 70 pips, which isn't too bad. But again, this is really out of character for the pound, right? We've seen it move 60 some pips in an hour. And this, as you look at, we're measuring this on the 1 hour chart, this is over 12 hours to get that far. So, folks, it's been, like I said, uncharacteristic price action for the whole market, especially on these daily charts. That means to us that there's something really big brewing. What we're also going to draw in here on this daily chart is this daily trend line. We're going to draw this up here because we feel it's important, and price is on it right now, as you can see. Real time price is right on that daily trend line. So let's take this back down to the hourly chart, right? And see, again, that's the difference when you come down here to a more granular level. You see it's a little bit farther away. So this is what we're going to watch for on the pound dollar. We've had some bearishness here. We've come across these trend lines on the 1 hour chart, and we're really going to be centering our trading around this daily trend line. And what we're going to do is we're going to watch for a close below this level on this daily trend line on the 60-minute chart to go short. The other thing we're going to watch for is for price to come down to this level and basically hold, right? And then give us a trend line break. We have some of some sort here in the future. Close above that on the 60-minute chart. We're going to be looking to go long. Now again, with the pound, we're still going to set a funding level to fund our position for about 20 pips, because again, look at this market, up, down, up, down. Just set that limit out there, and then have your trailing stop for at least that position, at least your first one. Maybe you set a couple funding levels, and for some brokers, that's going to mean that you're going to need to enter two. If you're going to have different funding levels, like 1, 2, or 3 different funding levels, then you'll probably have to enter your position in thirds. So for instance, if you're trading 9 mini lots or 9 micro lots or 9 full lots, then you enter 3 positions of 3. And if you're going to, or if you're looking just for 2 funding levels, you want to fund your trade and then let some of it run with a trailing stop, and you have, for instance, 10 mini lots, 10 full lots, or 10 micro lots on the table, then we recommend at this point that you fund with 7 of those and let the other 3 run. So on the pound dollar for the upcoming session, we're only looking for 2 trades, 1 buy, 1 sell. As you can see, we're right in no man's land in between here. And hopefully we'll get a nice little trade like we did last night here for about 60 some pips. All right, that's what we're going to be looking for on the pound dollar for the upcoming November the 19th session.